Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakenhun Menteri Jongka Sarkar Jilla hakakat artrik unaitung arjar khat khandai kalarai bantau da State Water Policy arjar khat khandai na kabenta banyada ya ki tolong ki pukri ki empo leo ya ka basuk sam na khandau na kabenta bante lakam ya ka jingkurdu hagis nem ki bansawan Usembut Menteri Rangba Sarkar Jilla ubak Preston Tensong haka jingi keren bat kilat patai kubor hadin balawai ke jingi lang kakenhun Menteri ulayat hu baka Sarkar kala IT haka tenat Water Resources bakan penkrek ya ke Draft Water Policy arjar khat khandai na kebentaban pen urlong ya ke ni ke jingtmu jong ke Sarkar haka juk apor ulapan ke jingi trailang na kipat ba bakin ai ke jingi trailang bat ke Sarkar Jilla na kebentaban pen urlong ya ke ni ke jingtmu bat layat hu ru baka jela Meghalaya kandai ke jela ke benengkong hakari India ke bansa thauno ya ke water policy.
We did have a detailed presentation made by the officers, and we also had a very detailed discussion, deliberation on this policy, draft policy, and ultimately the cabinet has accepted and approved the draft Meghalaya State Water Policy 2019. And I would also like to add, till today, we are the first state to have in place the state water policy. The first state in India who has in place the state water policy 2019. The policy objective is the state water policy of Meghalaya intends to achieve sustainable development, management and use of Meghalaya's water resources with community participation to improve health and livelihood. Okay. Then reduce vulnerability while assuring good governance for the present and future generations by promoting integrated water resources management, environmental sustainability and conservation, social inclusion and equity. Economic viability will be duly considered in relation to all aspects of governance, management and consumptive of use of water resources to ensure intergenerational equity. This is the main objective of the policy that we just approved today. In carrying forward this policy, in implementation of this policy, I would like to tell you, the community participation will be fully honored. Okay, will be fully honored and will be fully implemented. Because we wanted to go down up to the village level. We will have water sanitation village council, the same pattern of village employment council. We will have that structure as far as this policy is concerned.
Village sanitation.
Water sanitation village council. We will have up to that, and I'm sure this policy will again take a long way to change the mindset of our people and also for proper utilization of water, because nowadays I think we all know whether in India or outside India, people keep talking about drinking water. There is a dispute, lot of fighting. It's just because of the water.